Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to find and use CapCut templates. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Head over to your search engine of choice and type in CapCut.com. This will take you to the official CapCut website. Once you're on the CapCut homepage, scroll down to the template section, then click View All. Once you're on the CapCut template page, you see a variety of templates to choose from. These templates are categorized to make it easier for you to find what you need, like trending, business, gaming, and more. Scroll through the templates and find one that catches your eye. When you find one you like, click on it and open the template's details. Here you can see how many clips are required to make the video, the duration, and how many people are using it. If you like it, go ahead and click on the Use This Template button. This will open the CapCut web app or prompt you to log in if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, the template will open in CapCut with all its elements ready for you to customize. Now here you can customize the template to fit your needs. You can add your own clips, change text, adjust timing, and more. Just click on the elements in a timeline and make your edits. Once you're happy with your edits, play back the video to make sure everything looks great, and if you're satisfied, it's time to export the video. Click on the Export button in the top right corner, choose your export settings, and then click Export to save your video to your PC. And there you have it, a beautifully edited video using a CapCut template. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. And if you have any questions or video requests, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.